Okay, let's dive into this Onkyo receiver that's ideal for creating an immersive home theater experience. Whether you're setting up for movies, games, or music, this receiver packs a punch. It has powerful features. One of the first things that you're going to notice is the power behind this receiver. It's more than enough to fill a medium-sized room with rich sound. It can drive a full 5.2 surround sound system, meaning you get both deep bass and crystal clear dialogue. Whether it's high action scenes or quiet conversations, this receiver keeps everything balanced. The sound moves around you in 3D space, so whether it's above or behind you, creating that true cinema feel. It's almost like you're in the middle of the action, hearing every detail. And even if you don't have ceiling speakers like I do, the height virtualizer gives you that overhead effect using your existing setup. There are 6 HDMI inputs, making it easy to connect everything from your gaming console to your streaming box. And as for reliability, this receiver has done great. We've had it for over 3 years now, haven't had any issues with it. And another thing is that you can stream music straight from your phone, tablet, or PC. It has built-in Bluetooth, so once it's paired, the receiver automatically starts playing when it detects an incoming stream. It's great for when you just want to kick back and listen to your playlist and you don't need any wires whatsoever. Also, setup is a breeze. You just plug in the microphone, put it in your seating area, and the receiver does the rest. It automatically adjusts the sound settings to optimize your space. So you get the best performance from your speakers. Now, I don't know if I can capture really how good the sound is, but I will try.